Hello guys, I am Orko, you are watching TechnoBroSA, and in today's video I am going to talk about the latest upcoming smartphone by POCO, that is the POCO F2. So without any further delay, let's get started.
Subscribe to TechnoBroSA and don't forget that bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a video.
We all know that POCO is famous for rebranding Xiaomi's and Redmi's smartphones, although it is an independent company, and as per news from some sources, POCO is going to rebrand yet again Redmi's K30 Pro, and POCO will name this rebranded smartphone the POCO F2. And news from these sources also said that this rebranded smartphone of POCO is going to compete against OnePlus Nord. That's quite impressive. But first, let me discuss the rumored specs about this upcoming smartphone. Now, talking about its display, it is going to have a Super AMOLED display with 6.67 inches of screen size and Gorilla Glass 5 protection on the front and the back. Performance wise, this smartphone is quite similar to that of the OnePlus Nord, because this smartphone is also going to have Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G chipset as that of OnePlus Nord, having a 6GB RAM with 128GB storage support. Now, talking about the camera specifications, as far as I know, it is going to have a quad camera setup, but I don't know all the specs. But as soon as the official specs are revealed, I will notify you all, so stay tuned. Now, talking about its battery, it is going to have a 4000 mAh battery with 33 watt fast charger in the box. Now, talking about the two most important segments, that is the launch date and the price of this smartphone. So as per rumors, this smartphone is going to be launched by the first week of September. And also talking about the price, the base variant of this smartphone, that is the 6GB of RAM with 128GB of storage support, is going to be priced somewhere around 26,000 rupees. So are you excited about the new POCO phone? Do comment down in the comment section below, and if you like this video, do drop a big fat thumbs up, and if you are new in this channel, do subscribe to our channel to never miss any latest daily tech update. So this was it for today. See you in the next video. Bye.